A judge has denied Steve Bannon's motion to delay his contempt of Congress trial.
Jury selection in the case of the former White House chief strategist will begin Monday. Bannon sought to delay his trial by arguing Tuesday's January 6th hearing subjected prospective jurors to potential bias. His trial stems from his initial refusal to comply with the committee's subpoena for his records and testimony. However, Bannon recently agreed to testify before the House Select Committee investigating the Capitol insurrection.
CBS News congressional correspondent Scott MacFarlane joins us now from Capitol Hill. Hi there, Scott. So what do we know about Bannon's pretrial hearing this morning, and what does it indicate about his upcoming trial?
Hey, Elaine and Tanya. The trial is now a go. Jury selection begins Monday morning. These 11th hour attempts by Steve Bannon to force a delay, they have failed. So it sets the table for what can conservatively be characterized as a unique criminal trial in American history. Steve Bannon, the former campaign manager for Donald Trump, the former White House aide for Donald Trump, who has snubbed this subpoena and this committee since last October, will now go on trial for contempt of Congress. We got a sense late this morning in court what his defense attorneys are going to argue. They're going to argue, according to their presentation today, that Bannon thought the October 14th deadline for his deposition and paperwork was malleable or negotiable and wasn't firm or etched in stone. It also appears the door has been left open for him to make a presentation about his last-minute recent offer to finally testify to this committee before a Washington, D.C. jury. The judge didn't say he's going to rule it out, wouldn't rule it in. We'll see what happens when trial begins here Monday morning.
And Scott, the next January 6th hearing is scheduled for a week from today. What should we expect from that one? What sort of nuggets have we been dropped to be looking forward to?
Well, the previous hearing focused so much on December 19th, a Trump tweet, a White House meeting, and the galvanizing of a crowd after that meeting and after that tweet. Thursday's hearing next week, what we expect to be a Thursday hearing next week, will focus on January 6th itself. What's more, it'll focus on the afternoon of January 6th, during the 3 hours of the most violent, vicious fighting during the riot, and what was being done inside the Trump White House, what was not being done inside the Trump White House. It'll be led by Virginia Congresswoman Elaine and Illinois Congressman Adam Kinzinger. It'll focus on what the committee has characterized as dereliction of duty, likely finally focused, narrowly focused on the former president himself. This is a committee that has already said in its court filings, Elaine and Tanya, that they believe Donald Trump engaged in a conspiracy to defraud the United States and obstruct an official proceeding. Next week, they're going to show what they believe Donald Trump was doing or not doing as that official proceeding was supposed to happen.
All right. Well, we will all be watching. Scott MacFarlane on Capitol Hill. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.